students, welcome to the Point. In this session, let's discuss about the important map location for UPSC CSE examination. So we'll be discussing about the Bering Sea and its geographical location. So the Bering Sea, it is a marginal sea of North Pacific Ocean and it forms along with the Bering Strait. So the divide between the two largest landmass on the earth, that is Eurasia and the America. So it comprises a deep water basin which then rises through a narrow slope into a shallower water above the continental shelves. So the Bering Sea is named for its Vitus Bering, a Danish navigator in Russian service in the year 1728 was the first European to systematically explore this Bering Sea, sailing from the Pacific Ocean northward towards the Arctic Ocean. So this Bering Sea is separated from the Gulf of Alaska by an Alaska Peninsula, and it covers about 20 lakh square kilometers, and it is bordered on the east and northeast by Alaska, on the west by Russian Far East and Kamchatka Peninsula, on the south by the Alaska Peninsula and the Altoona Island, and on the far north by a Bering Strait, which connects the Bering Sea to the Arctic Ocean's Chukchi Sea, which is and the Bristol Bay is a portion of Bering Sea between Alaska Peninsula and Cape Newfoundland on mainland southwest Alaska. So the Bering Sea ecosystem includes resources with the jurisdiction of United States and Russia, as well as international waters in the middle of the sea. The interaction between current, sea ice and weather makes for a vigorous and productive ecosystem. Talking about the geography, the International Hydrographic Organization, it defines the limits of Bering Sea as, on the north, the southern limit of Chukchi Sea, that is the Arctic Circle between Siberia and Alaska. On the south, a running line from Caboose Point in the Alaskan Peninsula through the Altinian Islands to the south extreme of Komandorsky Island and on the Cape Kamchatka, in such a way that all the narrow waters between Alaska and Kamchatka are included in the Bering Sea. So the border is like, this is a Kamchatka Strait and this is a Kamchatka Peninsula. So from Kamchatka Peninsula, the border is among the Altinian Island and the Alaska Peninsula. So this is the border of Bering Sea. The important islands are St. Lawrence Island, St. Matthew Island. This is a Pribilof Island, which also includes a St. Paul Island. So these are some of the important islands, and some of the important regions include the Bering Strait, the Bristol Bay, the Bering Strait, the Bristol Bay, and Gulf of Andier Bay. So this Bering Sea contains totally of 16 submarine canyons, including the largest submarine canyon in the world, which is called as Jumchak Canyon. So this is all about the Bering Sea. See you in the next session. Thank you.